Ardom, Nilisonaris Ronghang Pipen, MSC Atum, Semekedenga Putak Solang Dome Karapan Kepachini Japan, Por Iponlo. Bharat Adang Pi Along Kebanai Autonomous Council Lake Karbianglo Autonomous Council Handlo. Akimi Karbianglo Autonomous Council Kachari Ponjapan, Jakhong Ketom Arni, MSC Atum Semekure, Deng Ponlo. Karbianglo Autonomous Council Session Hall along Karbianglo. A Deputy Commissioner Adil Khansi MSC Atumapan Seme Patang Ponlo. Seme Ketang Atum Komatsi Kopia Lampensi Seme Kedengloma. Laso Botak Kat News Channel Point Son Sepang Jang Iglo Lang Ikta.
Members of the Karbianglo Autonomous Council, Honorable MLAs present here in the ceremony, DC West Karbianglo, officers of the District Administration and the Karbianglo Autonomous Council, dignitaries, special invitees, guests and visitors present today, and friends from the media. On behalf of His Excellency the Governor of Assam, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. On behalf of His Excellency the Governor of Assam, I would like to convey my heartfelt wishes to the newly elected members of the Karbianglo Autonomous Council. Today is indeed a historical day. This day will go down in the history of Karbianglo Autonomous Council when the 12th Council is present here for the first time and the oath-taking ceremony will take place. Faced bad weather and other challenges and voted in huge numbers, which proves that the people of Karbianglo voted with hopes, aspirations and expectations. And therefore, I would like to urge upon you all, and I hope and expect that the new house, the new body, will leave no stone unturned in meeting the expectations, hopes and aspirations of the people and in taking Karbianglo rapidly on the path of development and making it one of the most developed region in the country. Notification issued on behalf of His Excellency the Governor of Assam. Honorable Governor of Assam is pleased to authorize the Deputy Commissioner Karbianglo District to preside over the first meeting of the Karbianglo Autonomous Council for oath for affirmation and election of the Chairman of the Karbianglo Autonomous Council as per schedule below.
Sri Prabhat Chandra Taru, Karbianglo Autonomous Council, Inut, Kangwaita, elected Ihok Pon Dan Abangku Arnamamen Pen Semidingsi Nilia Aron Pen Kiseng Dan India Aron Mate Indian Constitution Aham Ning Aklong Pen Roy Ponko La Pen Nilipan Na Piklem Toy Arpu Ang Unsa di Upi Maslay Karbianglo Autonomous Council Isay Kaswa Mungga Ang Milen Mo Sabat Kayong Ang Indian Constitution Ayan Go Nolong Aron Nolarelo Ak Jola Nanga Karine Trombo Jolong
Within Sri Deputy Karbianglo Autonomous Council is not Kamarta elected Ihok Pon Dan Abangku Arnamamen Pen Semidingsi Nilia Aron Kiseng Dan Indian Aron Mate Indian Constitution Aham Ning Aklong Pen Roy Ponko subsequently being elected member of the Karbianglo Autonomous Council to swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Sri Horan
Kabiang Thomas Council in Utang Waita, elected the Hop Pontang Abangku, and a moment and Semedensi, the around Ben, the same time India around the Constitution of the Ningan Convent, or Conpula Ben, and the Panam, the Temple, Akuan, the Hopet and Temple.
Elected a member of Kabiang Thomas Council to swear in the name of God by solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will be fulfilling the church the duty upon which I am what I am.
Having been elected a member of the Kabiang Thomas Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Sri Mohammed Sikimu, having been elected or nominated a member of the Kabiang Thomas Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Kabiang Autonomous Council, Utang Waita, elected the Hop Pontang Abangku.
Nili Council Timur, Kabiang Thomas Council Utang Waita, elected the Hop Pontang Abangku, and a moment and Semedensi, Nili around Ben, the same time India around the UK as well.
Elected a member of Kabiang Thomas Council, do swear in the name of God. Mesti orang nama Kabiang Thomas Council sebelum menghormati saya pertama isu rana sama kerana saya di anu Yusuf hari pada sungguh tahu karena asal kami baik di mana.
Autonomous Council in Utang Waita, elected the Hop Pontang Abangku, and a moment Ben, Semedensi, Dili, Aronateng, Kasilam Tang, the same time India around Pate India Constituency of Han, Ninga Plompen,
Replacing him, Kabiang Autonomous Council, Utang Waita, elected the Hop Pontang Abangku, a Hopet and Temple.
Roton Terong, Kabiang Autonomous Council, Inut Kawaita, elected Akeho Pon Tang Abangku, Adam Amenpen Seme Dengsi Neli Aron pen, keseng, kontan, keplang por, Arpuan, Neli, Ahok pen, Clem, Pompo.
The member of Paragram Autonomous Council to share the name of God.
I see the almost so Guardian of Autonomous Policies in Kangwaita, Gehok Kontan Sabantu, Constitution of Niga Trompen, Royson Pope, the Pacific Hans, dan Guardian of Autonomous Council in Kangwaita, Gehok Pen, dan Sabantu. Pertama toy, Puan jadi outfit pen, tempon. Thanks.
Next request, Shri Jogat Singh MP.
Guardian of Autonomous Council in Kangwaitan, elected. Hokpon Tan Arna Mamen, Pen Semidings. Maybe around pen, the same time, India around what the Indian Constitution of Pania Trompen, Poi Pompo. One stream of digital component, Guardian of Science of the Curricular, University of the World, Overall Hakiraki, Normal Particular Forms a Moi, I'm Hungara Babe, Skapida Parodia Hunganor, or the Hakitaru, Honorable Sikar. Our Murpur, the Kotato, Nasnapore, Darman Visa, or Australia the Power Story. শ্রী মুকুট মোহন রায় গার্ডিয়ান এবং সাহিত্য পরিষদের নবনির্বাচিত সদস্য ভগবানক সাক্ষী রাখি প্রতিজ্ঞা করি কওঁ যে মই আইনগতভাৱে স্থাপিত
Guardian of Autonomous Council to the Kangwaitan, Gehok Kontan Sabantu, Arna Mamen Pen Semidingsi, Aron Pen, Kisengtan, India Aron Mati, India Constitution Apan, Ning Akrom Pen, Roy Pompo.
Richard Topi Guardian of Autonomous Council in Kangwaitan Gehok Kontan Sabantu Arna Mamen Pen Semidingsi, Nili Aron Pen Kisengtan, India Aron Mati, Indian Constitution Apan Ning Akrom Pen Roy Pompo Kapen Nilipat dan Peklem Toy Akuan Ni Ahok Pen Clem Pompo.
Indeed, a matter of and the staff of
Pini MSc atum semeke denga putha kasonsia bulletin la ansing don poniglo Gurwang 2